The question says, let S1 be the sum of first 2 n terms of an AP. Let S2 be the sum of first 4 n terms of the same AP. If S2 minus S1 is 1000, then the sum of the first 6 n terms of the arithmetic progression is equal. Now it is given in the question that S of 4n minus S of 2n is equal to 1000. Now Sn says that for an arithmetic progression, summation of n terms Sn will be equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substituting n as 4n and 2n, we have 4n upon 2 into 2a plus 4n minus 1 into d minus of 2n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d to be equal to 1000. Therefore we have 2an plus 6nd square n square d minus nd to be equal to 1000. On taking 6n upon 2 common, we have 6n upon 2 into 2a plus 6n minus 1 into d to be equal to 3000. Therefore, we have summation of 6n terms to be equal to 3000.